Good afternoon, my name is Mike. I want to introduce you to my kit car project. Also, welcome to 7 Spots. Some people have seen some posts on the 7 Spot from me. Yeah, well, my project is located in England, to be a little bit more precise. Sorry, I bought a chassis around about a year ago, 1.5 years ago. Basically it's just a basic chassis with anything started to finish, or well, I'm in the progress of finishing welding off now. There is the typical run champion Locost. As you can see, still in the early stages. Gathered recently some parts like the bodywork got now. That's my colleague's project, is a Formula V. So yeah, rear axle which turned out it doesn't fit, so I need to do some amendments on the chassis. Got a fuel tank. Maybe I'm thinking to change to a bigger fuel tank as well, as my cars won't be used mainly on the track. I wanted to have it rather as a tourer. Yeah, so I've got a 4-speed gearbox here from a Cortina. That's all the parts for the spare gearbox parts. Start to accumulate parts to assemble the vehicle, and then here that will be the engine. 1600 cross flow, has a Piper camshaft, Hodder Piper camshaft, freshly rebuilt. So yeah, still need to put this together. So yeah, that's my project and my little garage slash workshop. So future you will hear more from me.